How to recover deleted messages on Facebook Lite. Now take note that at the very beginning of doing this whole process, it's going to be the same thing if you're using just the regular Facebook application. Just log in into your account and then locate the three lines at the top right hand portion of your screen. Scroll down and head over to Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. Now from here, just simply access your personal details and then hit See More Accounts and Account Center. Choose the specific profile where you would like to recover that deleted message. Now, under Account Settings, just head straight into Your Information and Permissions, and then just choose on Export Your Information. And then on the next page, just simply hit on Create Export, choose the main account, and then choose whether it's for your device or for external service. Now, on the next page, you will be providing out what specific date, at least a range of date span of those date that you have provided on them for you to recover those deleted messages on Facebook. And that's how you recover deleted messages on Facebook Lite.